Okay guys, Coldstart clip. Real female arborist. No! No! Take it away! No, I don't need a chainsaw. I'm doing a Coldstart clip. Yeah, you might think that I need a chainsaw, but it's really all, you know what? It's all about the butt. Yeah. So here you have it, guys. Here's a butt. Butt. Shaking butt. Yeah. Rotating butt. Yeah. And I guess you can always push in some breasts as well, right? Yeah. So there you go. Coldstart clip of a chainsaw, the real female arborist way. Thank you. What? Yeah. I have to get the chainsaw, apparently. Like, dude, you can be a female arborist and you like hang on trucks and stuff. Then you don't need a chainsaw, you don't need a harness, you don't need a helmet, you don't need any gear at all. But when you do a Coldstart clip, then you obviously have to have a chainsaw. So here, chainsaw. Do I really have to start? No!